Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you all for supporting me from the very beginning. So today I have decided to make a new video about 5 creative photography tips and ideas that you can do at home. I know they are not so professional, but me and my sister spent a good time while preparing this video. And welcome to my sister Shahrizad.
Hello.
Thank you for watching and feel free to share this video with your friends. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.